Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, suppose U belongs to C square B bar, where B is the unit ball, satisfies del U is equal to F belonging to B, AU plus del U del N is equal to G on del B and alpha greater than 0, where N is the unit outward normal. If a solution exists, then option A, it is unique. Option B, exactly 2 solutions. Option C, exactly 3 solutions. And option D, infinitely many solutions. Now given problem is the Poisson's equation with Cauchy boundary conditions. Where both U and del U del M are simultaneously specified on B, and hence if a solution exists, it must be unique. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. The next question is, let phi x is the solution of integration e to the power x minus t phi t dt from 0 to x is equal to x, where x greater than 0. Then phi 1 equals option A minus 1, option B 0, option C 1 and option D 2. So, we have been given that phi x is the solution of this integral. Now, taking derivative with respect to x, we get integration from 0 to x e to the power x minus t phi t dt plus phi x is equal to 1. And from this we get x plus phi x is equal to 1. Therefore, on putting x is equal to 1, we get 1 is 1 plus phi 1 is equal to 1 or phi 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, option B is the correct answer.